If I can make somebody happy through just a simple meal, that's like a blessing in the world for me. I'm proud that I learned these skills from my parents and my grandparents. I think food is a very personal thing, and I impress myself by the things I cook. I'm Sheldon Simeon from Maui, Hawaii, and I'm the chef owner of Tin Roof Restaurants. When I walk into this space, it feels like home. The desk is where I keep it grounded. The wood has life, and you gotta take care of that. I love seeing it shiny as that desk provides for my family, and hopefully it'll continue to do that for my daughters' families and for many years to come. The desk is where I come up with recipes and ideas and go over plans for my new restaurant. And I take care of business with my wife, Janice, and look towards the future. The table is where we gather and we share our day. It's a moment of being able to connect with one another. Before we sit down and have a meal, we make sure that the table is nice and clean. Some of my fondest memories growing up was sitting around the dining room table. It's pretty amazing to be able to sit at the head of the table and see all that I have to be thankful for. The shine of the counter kind of lifts the food up, you know, it's the base of it all. It starts off with a beautiful countertop that I put my pride and my heart into. When guests come over, they see the pride that you take in it. I love having the island here right in the middle of our home. It allows me to be a part of the party. I get to cook and feed at the same time. It's just an easy spot where we all gather. This home has already brought in a lot of great memories. It's those moments that you cherish. You know, it's why we work so hard. It's why we do all that we do, is to have those moments of celebration with your family and your friends. There's nothing else that I'd rather be doing than sharing those moments with the people who you love.